So here's a little update on our boy Paul's STO. So when he first got the kit, he wanted a twin turbo STO. It was gonna be rear wheel drive. We were gonna tune on DS1, safe amount of horsepower, 1,000-ish. I think he wanted more. The big changes happened when he found a big deal. So he was able to get a great deal on Motec, all-wheel drive conversion, completely built Hefner transmission. We just got the hubs in from Hefner, so we had these upgraded for the Boost Logic axles, really to help anything from braking. So you can see the factory studs for the wheels, since this is a center lock car. This upgrades them dramatically. Bigger hardware. This is just gonna prevent breakage. So if he can launch it all day long. So this car is gonna be making 1,500–1,600 horsepower with this turbo package on it. Tony from T1 is gonna be tuning this car, setting up the all-wheel drive, making this car rip. So Paul wanted to bulletproof this car, make sure he never has to worry about an issue. So that's the goal with this one. Hopefully gonna be doing first fire up here soon, and we'll start doing a bunch more updates on this because we really haven't had a chance to update you all on this car.